Do you want to know the 15 best business credit cards of all time? Then stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. If you are doing as marvelous as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very important topic. I'm going to give you the top 15 business credit cards of all time. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me just show you our evaluation approach. Check this out. It shows you how we actually go about categorizing, reviewing, and assessing all the business and individual credit cards we review on this channel. Check this out. All right, let's jump into the ranking. At number 15, with a score of 8/10, we have the Fuelman Deep Saver Fleet Card. This card has a lot of pros. You can save 8 cents on diesel and 5 cents on unleaded at 40,000 locations, including in the Fuelman discount network. This card has also, it helps you prevent fraud and misuse by customizing fuel controls. You can manage driver profiles and turn cars on and off. You have real-time alerts for potentially fraudulent transactions, and you can track fuel expenses by driver and vehicle. And the great thing here is that you also receive the simplified reports for easy vehicle expense accounting and tax reporting. We also love the fact that the annual fee is kind of cool because you have it hovers around $50, so $4 to $12 per month per card, and the first 6 months are waived. And this card does not offer cashback, miles, or points though, but it's also very important to mention that. Number 14, we have the Brex 30 card, and our score of this, we scored this card 8/10. You don't need credit history for this. And you have the rewards are fantastic. 7 times ride share, 4 times Brex travel, 3 times restaurants, 2 times recurring software, and 1 time everything else. The intro bonus, 50,000. There is no annual fee. And the great thing we also love here is that to get approved, you need $50,000 in your bank account if professionally invested, if not 100,000. The card has built-in expense management, automatic receipt matching, and instant virtual cards for your team. And you can close the books in record time with QuickBooks, Xero, NetSuite, Concur, and Expensify integrations. Number 13, we have the Merit Bonvoy Business American Express card. Our score 8.5/10. And you need to have good to excellent credit for this. And the rewards rates are pretty interesting. You have 6 times points at participating Merit Bonvoy hotels, 4 points at U.S. restaurants, gas stations, or on wireless telephone services purchased directly from U.S. service providers and on U.S. purchases for shipping. And 2 times points on all other eligible purchases. What we love here is that the APR is kind of decent. Regular APR 15.74 to 24.74% variable. There is an annual fee of $125 on this card. And the one thing you also want to remember here is that you can earn up to 100,000 Merit Bonvoy points after you use your new card to make $5,000 in purchases within your first 3 months of card membership. And you can earn up to $150 in statement credits within your first 6 months of card membership for all eligible purchases on your card on U.S. advertising in select media. Number 12, you have The Delta SkyMiles Platinum Business American Express card. Our score 8.5 over 10. You gotta have excellent credit for this, folks. 740 to 850. You can earn 3 miles on every dollar spent on eligible purchases made directly with Delta, and on every eligible dollar spent on purchases made directly with hotels, you can earn 1.5 miles per dollar on single eligible purchases of $5,000 or more, up to 50,000 additional miles per year, and you can earn 1 mile on every eligible purchase on other purchases. There is an intro bonus of $45,000. The annual fee is kind of steep, $250, and the regular APR hovers between 15.74 to 24.74%. Number 11, we have the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card by Citi. Great card, folks. Our score 9 over 10. You gotta have excellent credit, and the card has no annual fee, and the regular APR is 15.24% variable. And you can and the thing here is that you receive 4% cash back on eligible gas for the first 7,000 per year, and then 1% thereafter. 3% cash back on restaurants and eligible travel purchases. 2% cash back on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com. 1% cash back on all other purchases. There is no annual fee with your paid Costco membership, and you can even enjoy no foreign transaction fees on purchases. So whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, you can enjoy no foreign transaction fees on purchases. And the thing here is that you can also receive an annual credit card rewards certificate, which is redeemable for cash or merchandise at U.S. Costco warehouses, including Puerto Rico. Number 10, the Hilton Honors American Express Business Card. Our score 9 over 10, and you gotta have a good to excellent credit to take advantage of this card. The annual fee is $95, and the intro bonus is 130,000 points. The regular APR 15.74 to 24.74%, and the rewards rate is pretty generous too. 12 times at hotels and resorts in the Hilton portfolio, 6 times on select business and travel purchases, and 3 times on all other eligible purchases. One thing we also like with this card is that you are able to. They have a great welcome offer, so you earn 130,000 Hilton Honors bonus points with the Hilton Honors American Express Business Card after you spend 3,000 in eligible purchases on the card in the first 3 months of card membership. I'll be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still continuing our rankings for the 15 best business credit cards of all time. Number 9, you have the Citi Business Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard. Our score 9 over 10. You got to have excellent credit to qualify for this card. The annual fee is $99. That is waived for the first 12 months, and the regular APR fluctuates between 15.99% to 24.99%. The great thing here is that this card is designed for businesses. You can earn 65,000 American Airlines Advantage bonus miles after spending 4,000 in purchases within the first 4 months of account opening. First check bag is free on domestic American Airlines itineraries to reduce travel costs and boost your bottom line. You receive 25% savings on American Airlines in-flight Wi-Fi when you use your card, and you can enjoy preferred boarding on American Express flights. You can earn 2 Advantage miles per dollar spent on eligible American Airlines purchases. Also 2 Advantage miles per dollar spent on purchases at telco merchants, cable and satellite providers, car rental merchants, and at gas stations. And you can earn 1 Advantage mile per dollar spent on other purchases. We also love the fact that there are no foreign transaction fees on this card. Number 8, you have the Capital One Spark Cash for Business. Our score 9.5 over 10. You gotta have good to excellent credit on this card. There's an intro bonus of $500. The annual fee of $95 is waived in the first year. The regular APR is a little steep here, 29.99% variable, and you earn unlimited 2% cash back for your business on every purchase everywhere, no limits or category restrictions. You can purchase above your credit limits with no hassle and no over limit fee. There's a free employee card which also earn unlimited 2% cashback on all purchases. Number 7, the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Our score 9.5 over 10. You got to have good to excellent credit on this card. To get this card, there's no annual fee, there's no intro bonus, and the regular APR ranges from 13.24% to 19.24% variable. You can earn 2 times membership rewards point on everyday business purchases such as office supplies or client dinners. 2 times applies to the first 50,000 in purchases per year, 1 point per dollar thereafter. You can enjoy the flexibility to put more purchases on the card and earn rewards when you buy above your credit limits. And American Express has something called the expanded buying power. So you get more buying power for your business, which means what? More opportunities to earn points. All right. So 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account opening, then a variable rate. Number 6, we have the American Express Blue Business Cash Card. Our score 9.5 over 10. You need to have good to excellent credit to get this card. And the regular APR hovers between 13.24 to 19.24%. There is no annual fee. There's no intro bonus. And what we love with this card is that you can actually earn 2% cash back on all eligible purchases on up to $50,000 per calendar year. Then 1% cash back earned, which is automatically credited to your statement. So one thing we love here is that remember that you can take advantage of the 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months from the date of account opening, and make sure to always pay your balance in full before the intro APR period is over. One thing that is very important with this card and we love is the flexibility and the fact that you also have a nice dashboard for reporting as it applies to all other American Express business cards. Number 5, we have the Chase Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. Our score 9.5 over 10. You got to have excellent credit to get this card. This card has a regular APR that ranges from 15.99% to 21% variable, and annual fee of $95. And you can earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $15,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's, if you really think about it, folks, that's about $1,250 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. You can earn 3 points per dollar on the first $150,000 spent on travel and select business categories each account anniversary year. You can earn 1 point per dollar on all other purchases with no limit to the amount you can earn, and points are worth 25% more. Remember, folks, when you're redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, there are no foreign transaction fees, and you can get employee cards at no additional cost. Number 4, we have the Business Platinum Card from American Express. This card has garnered from us a perfect score of 10 over 10. You gotta have excellent credit for this. You get 5 times membership rewards points on flights and prepaid hotels on Amex.com, and you get 50% more membership rewards points. That's an extra half point per dollar on each eligible purchase of $5,000 or more. And you can get up to 1 million additional points per year. The regular APR hovers between 14.24% to 22.24%. And one thing we also love is that with this card, you can actually enroll to get up to $200 in statement credits annually by getting up to $100 semi-annually for U.S. purchases with Dell. And they also have a pay over time option. So this is a flexible payment option to help manage cash flow on purchases of $100 or more. Number 3, we have the American Express Business Gold Card. Our score 10 over 10, perfect score. Credit recommended, you got to have excellent credit. That's very important. 740 to 850. And the annual fee is kind of steep though. It's $295. The intro bonus is 35,000 points, and the regular APR is hovers between 14.24% to 22 to 24% variable. You can earn 35,000 membership rewards points after you spend $5,000 on eligible purchases with the Business Gold card within the first 3 months of card membership, and more rewards, so you get 4 times membership rewards points on the 2 select categories where your business spends the most each month. This is very important. So 4 times points apply to the first $150,000 in combined purchases from 2 categories. So you have airline bonus, you have an airline bonus and telecommunication bonuses. And they also have, as I said earlier, the pay overtime option, which allows you to pay back your expenses over time. Number 2, we have the Inc. Business card, the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card from Chase. You got to have excellent credit. This card has a very high intro bonus, a relatively high intro bonus in terms of the amount, $750. That's good. No annual fee. Regular APR 13.24% to 19.24%, and you can earn $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening, folks. And what we love with this card is that you can also earn 5% cashback on the first $25,000 spent in combined purchases at office supply stores and on the internet, cable, and phone services each account anniversary year. You can earn 2% cashback on the first $25,000 in combined purchases at gas stations and restaurant each account anniversary year. There is 0% introductory APR for 12 months on purchases, and employee cards, you can receive those at no additional cost. No annual fee. And number one drum roll, number one. The best, in our view, the best business credit cards available out there is the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited credit card. Perfect score of 10 over 10. You got to have excellent credit. The rewards rates are, you have 1%, you can earn unlimited 1% cash back on every purchase made for your business. The intro bonus, $750. Annual fee, 0, no annual fee. And the regular APR hovers between 13.24% to 19.24% variable. So you earn $750 bonus cash back after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. You earn an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase made for your business, 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases. Employee cards are no additional cost, and there is no annual fee. Folks, this can get better. So the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited credit card, our score, a perfect 10, an A+. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. All right, folks, now let's just have a conversation here about just an overview of the business credit card. What are the business credit cards? What are business credit cards? I mean, those are kind of similar to personal cards, right? Just tailored to meet the needs of small business owners. So you'll need to operate some type of business in order to qualify, though it doesn't have to be a formal business. So if you are a gig worker or a freelancer, you can be eligible too. Here are a few things you should know about business credit cards. So the credit limits are usually higher on business credit cards than they are on personal credit cards. The protections they apply to consumer cards, like those that prevent excessive fees and interest rate hikes, do not apply to business credit cards. However, business credit cards will often offer similar protections as a courtesy. Rewards and benefits are usually designed to meet the needs of small businesses. You can find discounts and rewards on utility services, shipping, and other common business expenses. The way you use a business credit card can affect both your credit and your business's credit. And one thing you also have to understand is that how do you actually choose the best credit card for your business? It really depends on what really matters for you. Right? So credit needs can vary greatly from business to business, and that's why credit cards come in different shapes and sizes. And one thing you have to think about is that choosing the right business credit card depends on what you're looking for. Are you looking for cash back, free travel, low interest? Right? There are lucrative sign-up bonuses to be received, and rewards on spending categories tailored for businesses such as travel, technology, internet, phone, shipping, and online advertising purchases. So think about, you want to decide whether cashback or travel points miles will be more valuable to you. Decide how flexible you need your rewards program to be. What types of spending do you usually do? What kinds of purchases do you have planned? Those are things you have to think about. And also think about your credit score, your personal credit score, but also your business's credit score. Those are kind of very important. And what kinds of benefits would you like? And by benefits, I'm talking about the whole gamut here, from travel benefits in terms of no transaction fee, foreign transaction fee, car rental insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, roadside assistance and travel and emergency assistance. Are you looking for a business management tools? Are you looking to have some purchase safeguard? Are you looking for a savings program? Those are things you need to think about. One thing I also want to talk about is that how do you really apply for a business credit card? So once you have found the best credit card for your business, it's time to apply, right? So before you do anything, please check your credit score, because credit card issuers will usually look into the business owner's personal credit before approving an application. And you also want to compare actually business credit cards, right? And you want to find out if you're pre-qualified. This is something very important because you don't want to have hard pulls on your credit report. And you also want to be very careful, especially when it comes to the kind of card you are looking for. And you have to also understand, and one thing I want to talk about here is to understand and build business credit over time. So to build a business credit to build a credit history rather for your business, you gotta establish that your business is a separate entity from yourself, and take steps to make sure that your business spending activity is being tracked by business credit bureaus. This is very important. A lot of small business owners don't have this thinking. They are sort of mixing the business with their business finance with their personal finances, and you don't want to do that. So here are some steps you can take to create a credit history for your business. Try to have a business checking account that will help you establish your business as a financial entity. Register for a DUN number through Dun & Bradstreet. If some of your vendor accounts are not making it onto your credit report, you can use Dun & Bradstreet Credit Builder service to provide positive payment information to your credit report. And one thing you have to understand is apply for a small business credit card. And when you make your own payments on time, make sure your own customers are paying you in a timely manner. And request credit line increases on your existing account, because this will improve your credit to debt ratio and thus your overall credit score. One thing I want to say before closing here is that what is the distinction between business credit scores and personal credit scores? Now, credit scoring for businesses is a bit different and more complicated than scoring for consumers. So personal FICO scores range from 300 to 850, while business credit scores use different scales. There are 3 primary business credit score bureaus, and they all structure their ratings differently. So you have Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, who and they do this kind of. We have already covered this content in another show, so you might want to double check our catalog of videos to learn more. Let's quickly recap today's conversation here. So folks, we have the 15 best business credit cards. We have number 1, we have the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited credit card. Number 2, and the score is 10 over 10. Number 2, we have the Chase Inc. Business Cash credit card. Our score of 10 over 10. Number 3, we have the American Express Business Gold card. Perfect score also of 10 over 10. Number 4, the Business Platinum card from American Express. Score of 10 over 10. Number 5, we have the Chase Inc. Business Preferred credit card, 9.5 over 10. Number 6, we have the American Express Blue Business Cash card, score of 9.5 over 10. Number 7, we have 9.5 over 10. This is the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Number 8, we have the Capital One Spark Cash for Card. The Capital One Spark Cash for Business, rather. Our score 9.5 over 10. Number 9, we have the City Business Advantage Platinum Select MasterCard. Our score 9 over 10. Number 10, we have the Hilton Honors American Express Business Card, 9 over 10. Number 11, the Costco Anywhere Visa Business Card by Citi, 9 over 10. Number 12 rather, the Delta SkyMiles Platinum Business American Express Card, 8.5 over 10. Number 13 rather, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express Card, and our score is 8.5 over 10. Number 14, we have the Brex 30 card. Our score of 8 over 10. And number 15, last but not the least, we have the Fuelman Deep Saver Fleet card. Our score of 8 over 10. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.